OpenTable Booking Platform Review Usage Experience. Welcome to our review of OpenTable, the dining reservation platform. Links to explore the platform and its features are available in the description below. OpenTable is built for food lovers and restaurant goers, providing a simple and efficient way to find, book, and manage reservations at thousands of restaurants worldwide. Whether you're planning a romantic dinner, a family outing, or a business lunch, OpenTable makes the process seamless. One of the platform's standout features is its extensive restaurant database. You can search for establishments based on location, cuisine, price range, and even specific dining preferences, like outdoor seating or dietary options. Real-time availability ensures you see accurate reservation times without the hassle of calling. OpenTable's user interface is intuitive and packed with helpful tools. Each restaurant listing includes photos, menus, customer reviews, and ratings, helping you make informed choices. You can even view estimated dining costs for better budgeting. For those looking for inspiration, curated lists and editorial recommendations highlight top-rated spots and trending eateries in your area. The booking process is straightforward. Once you select a restaurant and time, confirmation is instant, and you'll receive reminders closer to your reservation. If plans change, modifying or cancelling a booking is easy through the app or website. For frequent diners, OpenTable's loyalty program is a major plus. You earn points for every reservation, which can be redeemed for dining discounts or other rewards. Additionally, the mobile app enhances convenience with on-the-go access to reservations, favorites, and personalized recommendations. OpenTable is ideal for anyone who values convenience, variety, and an effortless dining experience. It caters to individuals, families, and professionals seeking reliable reservations and an extensive selection of dining options. In summary, OpenTable transforms the dining experience by offering a streamlined and user-friendly platform for reservations and restaurant discovery. Explore the links in the description and elevate your dining plans with OpenTable today.